Hi students, how are you? Welcome to Nada Saraswati Public School. I hope you all are fine. I am Nasreen Fatima, Department of Computer Science. Congratulations students, you are promoted to 8th standard. Subject General Knowledge. Topic Model Citizens. Students, now we are going to learn about 21st century skills. What is the 21st century skills? 6 core values of education. The 6 years of education is very important for student and society. So what are the 6 years of education? The first one is character education. The second one is communication. Next, collaboration, creativity, critical thinking, and citizenship. So what is character education? The character education is nothing but the character education is the process of learning common attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors that is very important for people and students to have as responsible citizens. Parents, teachers, volunteers, families can help youth positively develop characters. So the character education is the process of learning. Why this character education is important in the classroom? The character education is important in the classroom to be engaged and focused on learning. And the students recognize that mistakes and revisions are a part of learning. An example of character education is classroom management. The classroom management is the concept of bucket fillers. Who is the bucket fillers? The bucket fillers are students. Those who are do good and help to others. There are bucket fillers in the classroom. So the character education quality is be caring, be hard work, be self-disciplined, be helpful, be responsible, be friendly, be thoughtful. Students, this character education is very important for you because we want to respect parents, teachers, family members and help to others. Next we learn about communication. So what is communication? Communication is an exchange of ideas, feelings or meanings between two or more persons. Do you understand about what is communication? So communication is nothing but if you have any ideas means you share to your friends clearly to develop the knowledge, and we must seek mutual understanding. The mutual understanding is the main backbone of every happy relationship. The biggest communication problem is we do not listen anything to understand. So we listen to reply and hear some other person's ideas to develop our knowledge, and this is very important for student and society. Next, one of the values of education is collaboration. So what is collaboration? So collaboration is working with individuals or a group to achieve a common goal. And this is simply defined. Collaboration takes place when members of an inclusive learning community work together as equals to assist the students to succeed in the classroom. When it comes to special education, the collaboration is the majority of what the job entails. The value of collaboration is trust, inspiration, exchange, assist, support, success, share, and teamwork. So the teamwork is the best value of collaboration. So we can take responsibility for the team and self and work together and build on the ideas of others. Everyone has creative mind. Now we are going to learn about creativity. So creativity is very important in our education as literacy. So creativity is very important in our education. So what is creativity? Do you know? It's nothing but the creativity is ability to make or produce new things using skill or imagination and design innovative solutions and to pursue new path of thinking. Next we learn about critical thinking. The critical thinking means ability to think clearly and rationally, understanding the logical connection between the ideas, and the self-reflective learners who ask thoughtful questions to deepen understanding. And we want to know learn something, that is also critical thinking. So the good critical thinkers can draw a reasonable conclusion from a set of informations. The first step of critical thinking is analyze the problem. The second step, how to solve this problem. The third step is take the solution for that problem. So if you have any problem means first you analyze the problem. Next you ask some other ideas to your friends and parents. Finally you decided the solution for that problem. Finally we learn about citizenship. The good citizenship is to take care of oneself and other people and the environment. So we can make positive impact as your guardians of your school and local and community. These 6 core values of education is very important for you and then society. I think you understood about this lesson. Thank you.